What's up guys, Case from Renting. Today we're going to be unboxing the ONN rugged phone case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G. Here's the back of the box. It says it's for the Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G, and it's pretty tough. It's drop tested, and it was manufactured this year in April, this month. I'll put the camera on, unbox it. Here's the case itself with the back. Here's the case itself, and here's how to put it on, and then we have a quick setup guide for it. And I'm trying to remove this. Oh, I'm gonna put the camera down. Here's how it looks now. That wraps up the unboxing of the ONN phone case, rugged phone case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 5G. Check out our 2-pack, Cafe Press, blog, website, Facebook page, on Instagram. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.